I've discovered a strategy that's practically printing money. Let me show you exactly how you can replicate this for yourself. If we check out this channel on Social Blade, you'll notice they're generating around $30,000 per month. Even if you're skeptical about the numbers Social Blade shows, you can scroll down and see they're getting 7.5 million views monthly. I can confidently say they're earning well over $30,000 a month. The numbers don't lie. Even with just YouTube AdSense, they're making substantial income. On top of that, they're likely earning through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and other revenue streams. To achieve similar results, you need to choose a niche that consistently attracts viewers. For example, the channel FableBots creates simple, engaging content like funny characters and mini skits that people love. Popular niches include motivational quotes, famous speeches, or thought-provoking wisdom. After picking a niche, head to ChatGPT. My team has prepared a free prompt for you to use. Just check the text file linked in the description for all the resources. Copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and let it generate quotes for your content. Once done, organize these quotes in a Google Doc for easy access. Next, you'll need visuals. There are two options, MidJourney and Leonardo. MidJourney offers a $10 per month tool for professional quality images, but Leonardo AI comes with a free alternative that provides similar results. For this tutorial, we'll use ChatGPT to generate free images. For example, you can prompt it to create an image of a wise elderly man in a cozy library. While the quality may not match MidJourney, it's perfect for starting out without spending money. Once you have your images, download them, match them with your quotes, and organize everything for your video. But wait. At this point, if you're enjoying this video, probably subscribe to this channel and leave a like. To take your videos to the next level, use DubDub, an AI-powered creative suite. It simplifies content creation with features like realistic voiceovers, AI avatars, and video editing tools. Go ahead and create a free account on DubDub because we're going to be using it to perform this video now. If you go here to DubDub's homepage, you're going to see that they have several things that you can use like I've just explained right now. Like the idea to text, text-to-speech, AI avatar, AI video editing, and much more. But what I want you to do here now is simply sign up for completely free, and you can start a free trial with no credit card required. Now, once you're in the website, you're going to see several options that you can use right off. Basically, what we're going to be using to create this specific video for this YouTube channel today is the AI avatar function. So just go ahead and click here on the left-hand side on AI avatar. And let's go ahead and grab the images that we created using either MidJourney, Leonardo, ChatGPT, whatever. Let's paste it in and let's create an AI avatar. Okay, so once the website loads, you're going to select the option upload a face photo. So just go ahead and click on face photos and select the image that you downloaded from ChatGPT, for example. Okay, so once your image loads, what you're going to be doing now is copying each image with a quote, and you're going to paste it in here where it says type in the text here on the right-hand side, because this is going to make the image speak your script out loud. So basically what we're going to be doing now is go back to either your Google Doc, for example, this part here, which says a quote from Albert Einstein, copy the entire thing. Go back to DubDub and type it in the text box, and you can simply click here, generate talking avatar, and just give it another couple of minutes. And we should be able to see our talking avatar now. If we want to have without a dubbed watermark, we need to upgrade to a paid plan if you want to use it for. Completely free, you can simply click here, generate, and it will generate your talking avatar now, as you can see here on my screen. It's already generating and processing our talking avatar. Now that our video is processed, you can now click on the three dot to download your video. When done, you will see something like this.
Imagination is more important than knowledge, for knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world.
You're going to be doing this to all 4 images to make it look better. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future money-making tips. Let me know in the comments which of these websites you're most excited to try, and if you've already had success with any of them, I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.